Today, December 6th, 2022, officially marks the 9-year anniversary of the creation of Dogecoin. Happy birthday, Doge. Now, thinking back about Dogecoin, it doesn't seem like it's been around for 9 years. It seems like a lot less time. That's because Dogecoin really had its rise to popularity in early 2021. That's when it really saw its rise to its all-time highs. But what I think is more impressive is what it did for crypto, right? It brought crypto to the forefront, the forefront of people's minds, okay? Honestly, me personally, I was not in crypto before Dogecoin really rose to popularity. Now, the two didn't necessarily coincide. I didn't get into Dogecoin while it had its run up to its high. But what Dogecoin has done during this time has been nothing short of impressive, right? Even though there hasn't been much utility or use case along its journey, and it was originally created as a joke, it has continued to break down barriers time and time again. And looking back through the history of Dogecoin, I think what is most impressive and can give us some confidence for the future is how it's acted through previous bear market cycles. Right now, we're obviously in the depths of a bear market cycle, and this actually marks the third bear market cycle that Dogecoin has gone through. It actually launched close to the top of the bear market all the way up through 2013 before that first dip happened. We can see that back right here, December of 2013. And again, December of 2017. And now, again, December of 2021, leading into this current cycle that we're in. Now, this is a very telling thing, right? It just goes to show the power that is there for Dogecoin. The status, okay, and the possibilities for the future. Now, Doge, again, still may not have much utility at this time, but that doesn't mean that people don't think that may not be coming in the future, right? Or that may be coming in the future, okay? There's obviously lots of talk right now of, some sort of integration in Twitter. Obviously there's spoof side chains that have been created like Doge Chain. All these things are being built around Dogecoin right now, and holders have a long-term sentiment surrounding Dogecoin. Almost 70% of holders have held Doge for over a year, which is impressive. There's not a lot of coins that can say that. There's not a lot of coins that have people holding on to Doge or holding on to their coins for the long run, especially through these bear market cycles. These are where a lot of the weak hands end up getting flushed out and either don't come back or just find something else to hold. Dogecoin still remains resilient during these times, and it's looking like Dogecoin, regardless of what its utility or future may look like, has a strong path for the future. That's all I really got for you guys in this one. Just wanted to celebrate how Dogecoin has done over this time. It truly is impressive, and it's something that a lot of coins would love to emulate. Now, that being said, if you guys haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell. You can stay updated. Geez, I cannot talk. Updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one.